Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change our profile photo in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my laptop with Windows 11, and first of all, we need to go to our setting. We can click on the start menu or this Windows icon and select the settings. Okay, and in the settings, we need to go to the accounts setting. And you have to scroll down until you find your info. Then you can click on this option, and here you'll be able to change your profile photo. You can either take a new photo or you can choose a file from your file manager or file explorer. And I'm just going to select browse files right here, and I'm going to choose photo from my device. For instance, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, we can click on choose picture and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now as you can see guys that my profile photo has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change our profile photo in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.